Okay, so this is Angels We Have Heard on High, guitar number 2. This is what it looks like. Okay, so we're looking at guitar number 2, and guitar number 2 is harmonizing with guitar number 1. So it sounds a little bit off, but when you hear it with the guitar 1, you'll understand what's going on. All right, the rhythm's the same as the guitar 1 for the most part, but not completely, and not always. There's going to be a lot of interplay between the guitars. So let's talk about that first line. So you start on C. Alright, so that's your first motif, alright, from measures 1 to 8. Not really a whole lot going on as far as spaces or jumps or gaps or anything like that. There is a little gap between the C and the G, measure 7, but other than that, it's pretty scalar, pretty up and down. Alright, let me see if I can play a little bit of it with both guitars, so. Alright, so that was both parts up to measure 3 or 4. So you can hear how you're harmonizing with that guitar 1. Alright, here we go. Let's just play along to measure all the way to measure 8. So here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so not really much going on there. Now, the measures 9, 10, 11, 12, you start to have these eighth note breaks. Alright, so the rhythm for that is 1, 2, and 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, 4. Alright, so that was 9 through 12, alright? So you're going to play on the downbeat of measures 9 and measures 12 only, okay? So be mindful of that because you have that tie. So that tie is going to go all the way to beat 1 of measure 10 and measure 11. Alright, so let's just try to count that real quick. 9, 10, 11, 12, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. 2, and 3. 1, and 3. Alright, I'll try to keep it solid with this so you can hear it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3. 2, and 3. 2, and 3. 1, and 3. Okay, so you hear the solid beat of this, right? Now it sounds exactly like the song, alright, so don't freak out just yet. Here we go. 1 from measure 9. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so really simple stuff, but you gotta hold on to that beat 1 because that's gonna give you the problems. Alright, so 1, 2, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, 4. Alright, so watch out for that. Do that a couple times with me. Just rewind the video a little bit. Okay, now 13, 14, pretty simple. Rest, alright, so 13, 14. Rest, alright. Now, 15 is very much like 9, 10, 11, 12, 15, 16, 17, 18, but you're actually going to play the downbeats. Alright, so starting at 15, you have 1, 2, and 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, 4. Alright, so very much like 9, 10, 11, 12, but you're actually playing the downbeats. So make sure there's a difference between those two because you're going to play the downbeats on 15, 16, 17, and 18, but you're not going to play the downbeats on 9, 10, 11, and 12. Alright, so same notes, just a little bit different as far as the parts that you're playing. Now 19, 20, 21. Really simple stuff. Let's play with the metronome all the way through the first page. And go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 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 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So, pretty simple. Now, page 2 is pretty much a repeat of page 1. Not really anything different. Okay? So, let's take a look at it. No, actually, everything's pretty much repeated. Even the parts between 9, 10, 11, 12, 15, 16, 17, 18, those are all the same as well. Alright? So, just watch the video over again for the second page, because the second page is pretty much the same thing. So, if you have any questions, send me an email, and good luck. What happened just now? Who?
She just ran in. It's like sitting with the cards right now. Well, she hit the guitar with the door, I think. I don't know, but she was running down the hallway. I heard something. Freaked out. So I'm one of Mr. Ibarra's students, and I'm going to teach you how to play ball. Guitar 4. Guitar. Dude, I think I'm gonna do that. Like when I graduate, I'm gonna come back just to take guitar 4. We're all sophomores. You're the only freshman in this group. This is why we want to not go out there.
Hey, this is recording.
Huh?
This is recording.
Is it still recording?
It says recording on the side right there.